Hello, Dave here with Serene Water Gardens here in St. Joe. Just giving you an update on my most current project. This is my mom's place, one of the first ponds I built a few years back. So I'm gonna flip you around and show you this is the old pond area. It was about a 7x7, had a stream that started up here. The Waterfalls was here and it kind of came down and curved all the way around and then waterfall into the pond right there. Real nice looking, but not very practical. It was hard to get in and do any weeding between the pond and the wall there. Same thing over here, just hard to get around the pond to do any kind of work. So we're gonna move it and we're gonna make a couple changes, and I'll take you around here and show you where we're going. So before I do, I'll take a shot of the house here. So this is the back of the house. They've got a nice little deck right here, so you can see this is where the pond's gonna go, so you'll have a nice view from the double doors in that point as well. So what we're looking at here is Waterfalls up in that section. Like I said, there's going to be a circular flagstone patio with a fire pit right in the middle there. So the Waterfalls is going to face the middle of that patio, come down right there, little drop, pooling area right there, frame, waterfall here, and then I'm going right there. So that's the plan. This is where the skimmer box is going to be, and then the plumbing is going to go back up to the Waterfalls right there and recirculate. So I got everything marked. So the next step is to start getting the elevation of the Waterfalls there. It's probably 20 inches off the ground as is, so I may elevate it a little bit. I don't want to elevate it too much because I want things to look natural at the end, but may elevate it just a few inches, and then hook the plumbing up, so as I dig this pond out, I can throw the dirt over that plumbing and start covering that up and save a little bit later on. So step one is to get the elevation of the skimmer, and then plumb up run the plumbing here and get that all set in, and then dig the pond out, get the skimmer box set in, get the plumbing hooked up to that side, liner, and then rocks. So that is the plan. Okay, so we've got the pond dug out, and we've got a few shelves going on here. We dug a hole so we can plant our lily. Skimmer box is in place, Waterfalls is in place, and we are ready for underlayment and liner. probably about halfway done with this project. I'm gonna flip you around and kind of show you what I'm working on. So I'm on my mom's porch right now in her backyard. This is actually the old pond. This is where the old pond was, and we are moving it. So I'm gonna flip you around here, standing on the back porch. Hammer around too, so you can see there's actually a room behind me. So they'll have a real nice view from not only this patio, but the room that's behind me. And so this is where I'm at with it so far. I've got the bottom pond all rocked in. All I have left for the bottom pond is just some detail work around the edges. Other than that, it's all done. So skimmer box here, biofalls up there. So this skimmer box has the pump in it, and it's plumbed, and the pipe goes up and around up to that skimmer box, and that skimmer box is actually facing where the center of a patio with a fire pit is going to go. So right over in here where this post is, there's going to be a circular shaped flagstone patio. You can see the buff stand-up flagstone back there that I'm going to use. So there's going to be a fire pit in the middle, flagstone around there. So that waterfall is facing this. So there's going to be a waterfall there, upper pooling area right there. I'm going to use these large boulders as a retaining wall and a seat wall, so you can sit on those boulders, face a fire pit, have the pooling water behind you. Stream's going to come down, maybe a drop there, little waterfall come through right there and into the pond. So we've got a fish cave right there that the fish are going to come into. Saved a couple plants. So we've got a water lily right in the bottom there, so hopefully that grows back. I'm sure it will. And that's it. Tomorrow I'm going to start working on the stream. I'm going to pull that liner back and set that spillway rock right there and just start working my way up.
Good.